So OnePlus is set to make a big splash this year with the launch of its highly anticipated flagship, the OnePlus 15. After months of leaks and rumors, we've finally gotten a first glimpse of its redesigned look, courtesy of a recent Weibo post. The changes are more than just skin deep. One of the most noticeable updates is the shift from the iconic circular camera island to a square module with rounded corners. Painted in a sleek black finish, this new design houses 3 cameras, 2 stacked vertically and 1 on its own. It's a bold departure from the previous generation, marking a fresh and modern approach for OnePlus. While we don't yet have a full view of the front, it's expected to feature a 6.78-inch flat display with a 1.5K resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. This upgrade in refresh rate promises smoother visuals and better responsiveness, perfect for gaming and general use. The OnePlus 15 will come in 3 stunning colors: Dune, Absolute Black, and Mist Purple. Dune will be the flagship color, likely to appear in most marketing materials. It's expected to offer an earthy, refined look. Absolute Black will take things to the next level with what's described as the blackest black ever seen on a smartphone, making it a sleek and premium choice. Finally, Mist Purple offers a unique option that strikes a balance between bold and subtle. Under the hood, the OnePlus 15 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, ensuring top-tier performance. This powerhouse processor will be paired with an in-house image engine, as OnePlus ends its collaboration with Hasselblad. This new image engine promises better camera performance with improvements in color accuracy, low-light capabilities, and overall image processing. Battery life also gets a boost with a rumored 7,000 mAh battery that supports 120 watts wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging. The OnePlus 15 is expected to launch in October and will be a major part of OnePlus's push for the high-end smartphone market. With these upgrades, the OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones of the year. From its fresh design to its powerful internals and impressive battery capabilities, it's clear that OnePlus is committed to offering a premium experience. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 15? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.